Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to embed a video in Canva in a way that it plays. Now, there's an easy way to embed a video in Canva. Embedding is not the problem. So it's as simple as like I go here, like I take a video of mine and I just copy and then you just put it in there, just paste it. And you have the video. So and if you just maximize it, then you can see the video and you can play the video, right? Then the other way to do that is you go to the YouTube app. So you go here, you just search for YouTube, put it there, and you put your link. And for some reason, it shows me a different link. I don't know why, but okay. Now I see this link. This is my video, it's my recent video on 8 AI video tools. Um, and then similarly, this will also play. Now, what happens when I download it? So if I download it as whether it's a PPTX or it's a JPEG obviously will not show. So I tried PDF, print, PDF standard, MP4 video, and even PPTX. So let me show you my downloads. And unfortunately, none of them will play. I have them here. So you cannot play this video. Then you have another one. This is a PDF as well. Then you have a PowerPoint. Nope. Sometimes it doesn't even show. And I also tried an MP4. There you go. And it doesn't show. Then I also tried creating a public link, like a public view link. I copy the link and put it here. And it will not show. It will basically show the whole video, all my pages it will show, but it will not play the YouTube video. So then, how do you embed the video actually? And actually, then I also tried edit link and I tried putting link, but then it just shows the link, takes away the video, or it's just embed. So now it's embedded, but it will not show when you download it. The only way to have it play is actually by presenting full screen. So you can go here and then present, and it will show. In the sense, it will play. And if you go here, it will also play. But there is, so far, I have not found any way to download the design with the PDF in it, with the video in it, and have it play. What you can do is then you just download it as, let's say, you just take the JPEG, just take the thumbnail, and you can download it like that. Then possibly you can embed the link. Done. And then when you download it, and you enable editing here, and if you click on it, it will go. See, the link is embedded now. So if I click on it, then it will open it in the video. Or what I can do is I download as a PDF. And then when I open it and I click on it, it goes to the video. So the only two ways to embed a video in Canva that it actually plays is by either presenting it or by putting a screenshot or just inserting the link of the video. You can do it with the thumbnail of the video as well, but or any image or any text, just insert it as the link and then download it in the format that you want so that when you click on the image or wherever you added the link, it will play. But if you just insert the link, whether it's with the YouTube app or just copy paste it on the design on the canvas, then it will not play.